Hi, Steve Bumgarner, Eagle Public Library, once again here with an unboxing video. You ready? Here we go. Very dramatic removal of tape. And get rid of the paper. All right, let's see what's here. We have, in this box, what's this thing? The Serpent's Fury. This is a kid's book. And Res Dogs, another kid's book. And Boundless, Lost Fleet. This looks like an adult science fiction book, probably pretty good. Here's a Christian fiction book. What's this say? To Find Her Place by Susan Mason. America's Greatest Challenge, another Newt Gingrich book. And The Box in the Woods. I don't know what that is. Looks like a kid's book maybe, or a young adult. All right, so there's one stack. And Legends of the North Cascades, I think. Is this the one? I don't know. There's a book that was set in Spokane, and I wonder if that's it. No, this guy lives on Bainbridge Island, so I don't know what that is, but it's a kind of a local book if you consider yourself from that part of the country. Here's something called Notorious by Diana Palmer, and a kid's picture book called The Bench. I bet it's very lively. I bet the bench moves. All right, this thing is called, this is a Teen Titans book, a comic. Madeline, here's a couple easy readers, a Madeline book and a Minecraft book. Oh, look at this. Batman. Batman doing something. The next Batman. Not the current one, but the next one. And, oh, here's one of these, My Weird School. Miss Aker is a Maker. And a couple golden books. They're both the same thing. Star Wars. All right, so that's kind of it for this box. Tune in next time and we'll open another one. All right, see you later.